There's birds outside the window. It's checkout day. Oh, the cows came over to our side of the field. Outside. Yeah, it's a nice little place.
It is. Sure is.
Pretty roomy. Here's our country lodgings.
Wow.
Better than a motel room. Same price.
Much better.
We're nowhere near anything.
Don't have to worry
but
about anybody stealing anything.
30 miles. Yeah. Arrived for Saturday morning to do Superbike school. This is the bike we've been assigned. I have been assigned, I should say. And they're over in that area there. Euben and Jared. They're doing level 3 today. I've finished with my session, so we're going to be going out very shortly here. I need to go get my gear on, but this is why we fly on airplanes. Well, I'm not sure where our gaggle of Superbike riders is over there. I haven't seen them come around yet. This is the first session for Superbike school. You know, I also hear bikes, but I realize they're over on the east track and not on this side. So I'm like, I hear a motorcycle coming, but it never gets here. Now it looks like they're coming around the corner. Go out, learn the track. This is the orientation session, sort of. 3 laps. We're going to ride all on the right side of the track. Second lap, we will ride all on the left side of the track. Third lap will be in the center of the track. Then come back in and find out who your coach is. Oh, I'm definitely not riding all the way on the right. And I'm trying to upshift by pressing down on the lever. Orientation laps are useful. Wow, corner worker took a trailer out on the track with a bike. So we get a good look at what's out here. What's off to the side. So this is the corner that I do crap on. Get to see the curbs we run over. This is a curb potentially you might be running over, getting close, see how smooth it is. That curb we definitely run over. Surprised there's not a lot of rubber visually on it. This corner I suck at. Entering it kind of mid-track. Over there we have our blue cone. Over the hill looking at the telephone poles in the distance so that we can run over our curb here. Dun 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 dun. And then this is what I need to practice this particular corner. Coming out wide to the entry here. And getting my angle of attack. One steering input, right? Okay, fix that, bro. Up the hill here, kick-in entry point. Yeah, there's a little yellow X there. Here's our cone, cresting the hill. Over to the other side. Early enough. And here's our little, yeah, see the dirt line there. That's important to know. If you cross over under the curb, it's a little dirty. Same thing here for the angle of attack that I need to get right. Okay, so we're going to ride on the right side of the track and observe interesting things about the right side so we know what's here. It's curbing, and I almost always run over the curbing here. How does it look? Up here, oh, there's a lip there, so if you go off or get close to it, you're gonna slip off. I had not really noticed there was curbing over here. Getting a runny nose. It's cold out. Well, it's not. It's like 60. I'm from Texas, so 60 is cold. In case y'all didn't know. There's our cone for our apex to exit over there. I keep on to shift up by pressing down on the lever. This is the Dorito. Go over the Dorito. Here's our close look at the cone. I don't know how much tire pressure we have. 30? Just a guess. Tires when they came in definitely did not look overcooked. Seem to have minimal wear. So we have some cracks in the track, but overall the surface, as you see it, it's very nice. Very good condition. If every track I went to was like that, that'd be sweet. Pretty slow. Move out here to go over the top of the hill. Something I have not been doing. It's hard to judge until you have some speed on you where you should be turning. Yeah, if you painted a line on the track where I needed to go, I could do it at 10 miles an hour, but just the speed doesn't tell you why you're using that line. Okay, going to go around in the center of the track. Cool beans. You just kick the shift lever. I keep wanting to do something with throttle. It's like, nope, just kick it, hold the throttle where it is, kick it. Hit the center of the track. use the center of the track there. The Dorito pointy end is right in the middle. My perception of what the middle is. Oh, son, I can't see. Okay, this time we're going to go in and find out who our coaches are. Opportunity to figure out how the bike works, like the shifting and all that. I don't think I'm going to adjust traction control. This is not a bike I own, so figure out how it works. Yeah, see, I'm not staying in the middle of the track. And up, we're going in, leaving the track, then we go back to the right side. That's it for that riding lesson.